be playing with fidget spinners.
And if you like our Dragon Breath video, like button.
Okay.
And subscribe and comment and
Okay, so one hand.
and
Oh, shoot.
your nose.
Your nose.
And your head.
See,
Your head.
that's easy. No, you mean your forehead.
And your thumb.
Okay, guys, so one-handed tricks.
One-handed.
And guys, go check out our other video with fidget spinners. Dragon's Breath. Or
Yeah.
fidget spinner versus
Which
Dragon's Breath.
didn't go well because there was liquid nitrogen like the whole time.
And it was pretty hard, so yeah. Hey guys, so let's get started with this video. First
Yeah.
trick.
Oh,
Pinky. Let's try Pinky.
Okay, Pinky.
Okay, that's pretty hard. Okay, so another trick. Forehead.
That's easy.
Oh,
you
okay.
suck.
Or do I?
Oh.
Can you do a walkie?
What?
Can you do a walkie?
Yeah, can you?
Or look
Yeah.
at your nose.
Let's see him walk while doing it.
I'm going to show you how to walk a fidget spinner on your head. Wait.
Epic fail.
Fail, 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 fail.
Oh,
fail! Let's see. Let me try. Let me try.
Do
Okay, so let me try now. Putting on my forehead and walking.
Epic fail.
Oh!
Fail, fail,
Oh!
fail.
He just dead boy bouncing on it.
Hey, make it step harder. You know what I'm gonna do? Put it on my nose.
OMG!
Yay!
No way.
Yeah, Evan!
Oh, I just tried doing it on my nose and I won't say.
This is really hard.
No.
You have to get this the right position.
Yeah.
Oh!
Whoa! Don't mess up.
Oh!
Why you guys like it, huh?
Oh! He's a fidget master.
Okay.
So guys, so we're gonna try stacking these things up, and then like this.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, I'll do it.
let's try 2 first, and then we'll do 3.
Do you guys let me bounce it? Or why you want?
Ooh, one hand, one finger. Go.
Wait.
Show
Let
the
me
camera.
line it. Let me line it.
Okay, go. Oh! Oh! He did it for so
And you
long.
guys, every video you guys see in here is that every video you guys see in here that we're eating hot Cheetos. So hot Cheetos, if you guys want to sponsor us, we'll be very happy.
We're gonna do it with 3. Put it on.
Okay. Let's get the
Right.
heaviest, second heaviest, and third heaviest.
Okay, hold on. We'll just try it
Okay.
with both hands. Say hi.
And this might make you mad, but I quit YouTube.
Okay, ready?
I'm just
Set, go.
playing.
Oh!
Okay, this is hard.
Let me try doing it with one hand. Guys, so now I'm trying. See how hard this is. Oh, shoot.
So he's trying to stack it up. Really like evenly so you can balance it on one finger and it makes it easier.
2, 1, go. Wait, hold on. I didn't get the bottom. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot!
Okay, wait, we'll be back in a minute.
Alright, guys, so let's try this out. Oh, I did it for like a millisecond.
Well, how'd you know? So good.
Put it all in one row right here.
Spin it.
Bro.
Wait.
You can't
Do on top. Above.
Okay, hold on.
What are you eating on my chip for?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my gosh, that makes like an illusion.
Just blow it.
Hey, you're blowing the cup. Oh, that looks so cool.
Oh, this one's uneven.
What's one? That's good.
Oh, okay. That looks way
And
better.
we'll be back with another trick.
Listen to all these together.
Oh, get the watermelon.
Everyone be quiet. Listen. Hear it? It's mostly this one. This one's loud. So, it's really loud. And it's really fast. Let's test which one goes longest.
Mine does.
2, 3. Okay, I have 3 of them. See which one goes for the longest. Time lapse. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no!
So we will be doing a time lapse of this. going which one goes
You're turning.
longest.
You're turning.
They're all from Walgreens if you want to get it, guys. And yeah, 10 lessons. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, guys. So the blue one is still spinning, but these two, no. I guess this one has a better bearing and other stuff.
You hold me with my.
So yeah, these are all the fidget spinner from Walgreens. If you guys want to know where we buy them,
And I guess we will know what the true winner is.
it's this
It
one.
is.
This
Someone push me. I like to
one.
play my fidget spinner.
Man, that looks so cool. Look at it.
You push me on someone's.
I'll show you what's inside of this.
Which one looks coolest, guys?
Right.
So we're gonna take the finger things off.
That's always a kid.
Okay, sorry guys.
Right here. What just did?
There.
See,
Try for this too.
see, look at.
Mike, can you push
They still work,
Do
but
you guys didn't know what's the cool thing about this? Look at.
Can you push me?
okay, you could. It's
When
easier
you
to balance.
spin it, look at the things around it. Like
easier
that.
to
Then when you
balance.
freeze it, they're like balls.
It's way easier to balance with that.
Yeah, because there's like a little
there's
circle
like a
where, yeah.
Faster.
Okay, so Pinky, shoot.
Go. Go.
Oh, Pinky. Pinky finger.
Ready?
Yeah, who said you
Switch
could
finger.
mine
Oh
until you push me?
shoot, this is hard. Switch finger. Ah shoot.
Okay. So
Stop.
this one is harder to take off, but
Yeah.
Go back.
There's one more trick I know, which is takes like a lot of tries.
switch finger.
You spin it, then you gotta give it to the.
Oh, first try. First try.
No, here, one more time.
I don't know if you
Oh,
guys saw
I did it! I did it!
One more
this.
time,
Here, let me try.
please.
Let me try on camera.
Okay.
Oh! 3. Okay. Shoot. Oh!
Ready, okay. Ah!
That's when you get to that spot by going on that one. Okay?
What that?
To get as many
Nope.
as you could.
The camera saw me do that.
This is hard.
Sometimes their bearings just like kind of loosen out, so you gotta just.
We're gonna practice a little bit, okay?
Yeah. Okay, guys, Evan has a spot where it can like hang out.
Hey, Ian, lift my finger.
So yeah, I'll tell you when I'm done like cleaning up the room. Okay, guys, Evan has a spot. Oh,
I got 6 spots. Go, go,
oh, this
There's a secret spot in here.
Wait,
Where are we going? You guys, hey, before you guys do that,
this is gonna get annoying. Okay, guys, there's another.
hey, you guys have to be careful with that window. Guys, you have to be super quiet.
This is like the top. This is like the nursery room.
We have both doors. Open that door. Leave that door open.
So there's a rocking chair.
What's here?
Oh shoot! Someone's here. We're not. Get down. I'll stop this video right now. Okay, guys, this has gone too far. We're gonna stop this video right now. Make sure you hit that like button right there. Subscribe.
And we'll see you.